Here in the Manchester office at SAV, in the basement level on St John Street. So this is, in terms of an introduction to the building, it's a Regency period building, so early 1800s. It's a 9-year period in between two King Georges. It's a Grade 2 listed building, so in terms of focusing on energy performance and improving energy performance, there's only so much that can be done without interfering too much. But in terms of the work that's been done in the building, it's more focus on restoration, putting it back to how it would have been originally. So in terms of our net zero process with this building, we've been undertaking work to digitalise our energy monitoring. So we've managed to implement automatic meter reading for the gas meter, we've installed new water meter, we've installed new heat meters, all to be able to get a better idea of what's going on at what time, different areas of the building. So this is part of our Be Seen section of the 4 criteria that we're going to be tackling.
We have this building split into 2 separate areas. The downstairs 2 floors, where we have people working 5 days a week every week, and the upstairs floors that are occasionally visited for overnight stays from people in the other offices. These 2 zones, these 2 heating zones, we're actually using about the same amount of energy. Clearly one of them was using way too much considering its occupancy. So we adjusted the heating schedule and made it so that now we're using maybe 90% less energy on weekends and probably 50% less energy overall in that heating zone. Finally, we were looking at our behaviours, at our thermostat locations, at the temperatures, any overheating zones, as we're looking to address our gas usage. By adjusting these things, we've managed to reduce our overall heat consumption and still keep good thermal control of the building. Using the myEnergiRaven energy monitoring platform, we've been able to continuously monitor and optimise our energy use within this building. When it comes to being clean in our buildings, we're looking at the energy efficiency. In particular, we're looking at something often overlooked in buildings, which is hydronic balancing. To address this energy efficiency, we have efficient HIUs as well as pressure-independent TRVs. These TRVs could be saving us between 10 and 15% of the energy use on our space heating circuit.
Okay, so I'm in the plant room now, still in the basement level. When we first acquired the building, there was a couple of condensing gas boilers in here. Initially, we had a CHP installed, so we've got a micro CHP, which is just behind me here. 6 kilowatt electrical output, 12 kilowatt thermal. Over time, we then added an electric boiler for peak demand, which is to my left here, which is a 26 kilowatt Valma Bronin electric boiler. We ran with that for a little while, and then over time, as an efficiency measure to improve the performance of the plant, we added a small 8.5 kilowatt heat pump. So now we've got the CHP, heat pump and electric boiler running in tandem, all being controlled by the CHP itself.